In this video, I'm going to show you how to start investing in the Australian stock market this year as a beginner. And here's the good news, it's much easier than most people think. If you've got a smartphone, a bit of money, and the right mindset, you can get started today. And over time, with a bit of consistency, this can help you build long-term financial security. Let's get straight into it. Why people invest in the first place. Before we talk about apps, shares, or ETFs, it's important to understand why people invest at all. Most people invest for one main reason, to grow their money over time. If you leave all your money sitting in cash forever, it might feel safe, but over the long term, it actually loses purchasing power because of something called inflation. Inflation simply means that prices go up over time. What costs $100 today won't cost $100 forever. For example, think about groceries. What you used to spend $100 on a few years ago might now cost $120 or $130 for the same items. Rent is another big one. In many parts of Australia, rents have steadily increased over time, often faster than wages. Petrol, insurance, utilities, and everyday living costs tend to creep up year after year as well. Even things like a coffee, a meal out, or a basic takeaway cost noticeably more than they used to. This is inflation at work. The problem is that cash sitting in a bank account usually doesn't grow fast enough to keep up with these rising costs. So even though the number in your account stays the same, what that money can actually buy slowly shrinks over time. That's why people invest. Investing is one of the main ways people try to grow their money at a rate that can keep up with or ideally beat inflation. The goal is not to get rich overnight. It's to make sure your money doesn't quietly lose value while you're working hard to earn it. Over the long term, investing helps you protect your future buying power and gives you a better chance of building long-term wealth instead of slowly falling behind. What are you actually investing in? When people talk about investing in Australia, they're usually referring to shares and ETFs. A share means you're buying a small ownership stake in a single company, like CBA, BHP, or Woolworths. If that company performs well over time, the value of your share can grow and you may also receive dividends. The downside is that if the company struggles, your investment can fall just as easily. An exchange-traded fund, or ETF for short, is a collection of many companies bundled into one investment. Instead of relying on the success of a single company, ETFs let you invest in dozens, hundreds, or even thousands of companies at once. Some ETFs track the largest companies in Australia, for example VAS, A200, and IOZ. Global markets like the US, Europe, and Asia, for example IVV, VGS, and BGBL. And a mix of Australian and international shares, for example DHHF, VDHG, and VDAL. This built-in diversification reduces risk and takes the pressure off picking individual winners, which is why ETFs are often the simplest place for beginners to start and remain popular among the Australian finance community. Whether you invest in shares or ETFs, they generally make money in two main ways. The first is capital growth, when the value of your investment increases over time as companies grow and markets expand. This will usually mean the share price for your shares will increase. The second is dividends, which are payments some companies and ETFs make to investors from their profits. In Australia, dividends are common, especially among large established companies. Dividends can be taken as cash income into your own bank account or reinvested to buy more shares or ETF units, allowing you to benefit from compounding over time. Together, capital growth and dividends are how investing helps your money grow gradually. Not overnight, but consistently, making it easier to build long-term wealth without needing to constantly predict the market. How to start investing in Australia. Step 1. Pick an investing platform. To invest in shares or ETFs, you need an investing platform, also called an online broker. When choosing a platform in Australia, I look for 3 key things. 1. Share sponsorship. 2. Low fees. And 3. Automatic recurring buy feature. There are some good platforms out there, but it's rare to find one that offers all 3 features I'm looking for. That's why the platform I personally use is Moomoo, which offers all 3 of these features and more. They are CHESS sponsored, which means your Australian shares are held under your own name on the ASX through the CHESS system rather than pooled under the broker's name. They also charge a very low brokerage fee from just $3 minimum per trade for Australian stocks and only 99 USD cents minimum per trade for US stocks, excluding third-party fees and FX costs. That's one of the lowest rates available in Australia. They also let you set up automatic recurring investments, which I'll cover in more detail later in the video. And right now, they've got some nice sign-up bonuses. If you sign up using the link in the description, you'll receive up to 38 free fractional shares when you make a qualified deposit and meet other requirements. You just need to keep a minimum account balance for 30 days. You'll also get $0 brokerage fees on Aussie and US shares for 30 days. So that's free brokerage fees for a month to try out this app. And if you don't like it after 30 days, no worries, you can simply walk away. Terms and conditions do apply, so make sure you read them before proceeding. I'm not sure how long this offer will last, so if you're interested, use the link below to sign up and claim all the bonus rewards on screen. Enjoy. Step 2. Create your account. Once you've selected a platform you like, you'll need to sign up to an investing account with them. For example, if you want to use Moomoo like me, use the link in the description to reach the sign up page and follow the on-screen instructions. Creating an account is straightforward and usually takes about 5 minutes. If you provided all your details correctly, you'll typically be approved instantly and can start investing right away. Step 3. Fund your account. Once your account is set up and approved, the next step is to add money to it. In Australia, when using a CHESS-sponsored broker, the ASX generally requires a minimum investment of around $500 for your first purchase of a particular share or ETF. Because of this, many beginners start with $500 to $1,000. $1,000 is usually a good psychological starting point for beginners. That amount comfortably meets the ASX minimum requirement and will make you feel properly invested with some skin in the game. After your first purchase, most brokers allow you to buy smaller amounts of the same share or ETF going forward. This makes it easier to invest regularly over time. Now let's open up your Moomoo app and fund your account. Go to the Accounts tab at the bottom, click Deposit, and choose the correct account you want to deposit into. Now most of you should only have one account, but some of you may have two accounts, so make sure you choose the right one. I have two accounts here because I'm an older user, but if you're a new user, you may only have one account. Next, choose to fund your account through PayID or normal BSB plus account transfer. So go ahead and transfer some money into your account using either method. Once your funds arrive, you're now ready to buy your first stock. Step 4. Buying your first stock. Now for the exciting part. Let me show you how to buy your first stock. Let's open the Moomoo app. Click the Markets tab, then tap the search icon at the top. You can now search for any ETF or shares you want to invest in. For this example, let's search for VAS, which is one of Australia's most popular ETFs by assets under management. Please note, this is not a buy recommendation for VAS. I'm simply using it as an example only for demonstration purposes. Okay, so type in the ticker symbol VAS, and there it is. Let's click on it. This page shows VAS and all the available information. If you're a beginner, I'd encourage you to familiarize yourself with this page and some of the terms. This app also provides a lot of financial and technical information if you're interested in researching more. When you're ready, click the trade button and select buy. This is the order page. There are two main types of orders, limit and market. A limit order lets you set the price you want to buy at. For example, VAS is currently selling for around $109 per share. With a limit order, you can set the price to $105 per share, so it will only buy if the price falls to $105. However, it could take months for the price to drop, if it ever does. So you can't really predict when the order will go through. The second type is a market order. This allows the app to buy the shares for you at the best available market price. This method is usually instant and the order should go through straight away. So for this example, let's go with market. Quantity is the number of shares you want to buy. At the moment, fractional shares are not a thing in Australia yet, so you'll need to buy to the nearest quantity. So if this is your first time buying this ETF, you'll need to buy at least 5 to meet the $500 minimum requirement. I'm going to increase mine to 10 since it's a nice round number. Time in force is how long you want this order to be valid for. You can go ahead and read what each option means, and if you make a more advanced trade in the future, you could consider these options. For this example, we'll just leave it at day, which is valid for one trading day since the order will go through instantly anyway. We're almost done. You can click this little icon to see the fee you'll be paying. For this order, they'll charge you $3, which is pretty reasonable. Now click buy. You'll see a full summary of your order. Make sure you carefully review it and ensure everything is correct. Once you're happy with it, click confirm. The order should go through successfully within a few seconds. Then they'll email you a buy confirmation. And congratulations, you just bought your first stock. Step 5. Invest regularly, stay consistent, and automate. Once you've made your first investment, the most important thing you can do is stay consistent. Regular investing matters far more than trying to time the market or waiting for the perfect moment. Markets move up and down. News change every week. Emotions come and go. If you only invest when things feel good, you'll often miss out on the periods that matter most. That's why many long-term investors focus on investing small amounts regularly, whether that's monthly or fortnightly. This strategy is known as dollar cost averaging. It simply means investing the same amount over time, regardless of what the market is doing. Some months you buy at higher prices, other months you buy at lower prices. Over the long term, this can help smooth out market volatility and removes the pressure of needing perfect timing. For example, let's say you decide to invest $200 every fortnight into the same ETF. When markets are up, your $200 buys fewer units. When markets are down, that same $200 buys more units. You're not trying to guess the best time to invest. You're just showing up consistently. Over time, those purchases average out your entry price and reduce the risk of putting all your money in at the wrong moment. To make it easier on yourself, you can automate all this with the Moomoo app, which allows you to set up automatic recurring buys every fortnight or month. When you invest manually, every contribution requires a decision. You have to remember to invest, decide when to do it, and push through whatever mood or marketing news is happening at that time. That's usually where people fall off track. Automation removes that friction. When your investments are automated, the decision is made once, not every month. You can set up an auto-recurring buy schedule to your favorite ETF one time in the Moomoo app and never have to worry about it again. The money gets invested on a set schedule whether markets are up, down, or doing nothing at all. You're no longer reacting to headlines or emotions. You're building a system that runs quietly in the background. My final thoughts. If you take one thing away from this video, let it be this. You don't need to be an expert to start investing in Australia. You don't need perfect timing. And you definitely don't need to do everything at once. You just need a clear process and the willingness to take the first step. Understand why you're investing. Know what you're investing in. Start with an amount you're comfortable with, and then focus on consistency over perfection. Most successful investors didn't get there by making brilliant decisions every time. They got there by keeping things simple, investing regularly, and staying in the game long enough for time and compounding to do the work. And quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Any ETFs I mention in this video are not by recommendations and are examples only for educational purposes. Investing does carry risk, so please always do your own research before making any investing decisions. By the way, if you're enjoying this video and made it this far, comment the words "I'm taking the first step" down below so I know who you are. And if you're new around here, what are you waiting for, mate? Hit that subscribe button and join this amazing community of like-minded people who are all trying to level up their life. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram and X, where I post heaps more light-hearted finance content. And if you want to go a bit deeper, you can sign up to my free email newsletter, Aussie Money Club, where once a week I'll send you some money tips, major news in the market, only cool updates from me. And if you want to invest in your first ETF this year, check out this video on screen where I show you a beginner's guide on how ETFs work and how to buy your first one in Australia. And as always, thank you for watching, I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.